Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with quick, high-impact steps you can do now. First, confirm the game's audio slider and Windows sound mixer are not muted. Select the correct output device. Then, open Device Manager or your sound card utility and update or reinstall drivers. This fixes corrupted codecs. Once done, swap to a different headset or speaker and test sound on another device to rule out hardware faults. These actions separate software from hardware causes fast, so you know where to focus next. You now dive into the middle steps that often hide the problem. Open the game's audio options and pick the exact output device. If options exist, try stereo versus surround to see if conversion fails. Next, in Windows Sound Properties, set the format to 16-bit, 44100 HZ or the device's native rate because mismatches mute output. Also, disable exclusive mode and any enhancements from drivers. Those can steal the stream. After changes, restart the game and test for sound. You finish with advanced recovery and a key troubleshooting tip. Verify game files in your launcher to repair missing or corrupted audio assets. If that fails, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and consider rolling back recent driver updates. You can also test sound under a new user account to isolate profile corruption. If none of this works, reinstall the game. One key tip: if sound disappears after a specific update, try a system restore to a point before the change. Often the fastest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.